didn't know your name.
You know I love it.
Probably, mate. Who did you impregnate? Nobody makes my coffee good anymore. Not on.
Boo! Ooh, big one, small one.
A little hole compared to a big hole. You did some bad things, but I'm the worst of them. Why do you do it that way?
Those innocent eyes. That smile on your face.
Out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around your body. Last night we didn't say it, boy, but we both thought it. Why second guess I should have stayed? You said the words, I'm on the way.
Good morning, beautiful people. I feel like a pirate with my bandana on. I'm setting my edges from my gel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ashley. Make sure you are subscribed. If you've been here before, you already know what to do. Happy Sunday, July 21st. Ooh. Happy Sunday, July 23rd. We are about to head to the grocery store. You guys already know it is Sunday. I do Sunday resets, like clean my house, every Friday. My Sunday resets now consist of steaming my face and doing skincare and grocery shopping and meal prepping, and all that is my Sunday reset. So we're about to go to the grocery stores, gotta hit up Target. I hope you guys are ready to start our reset. See you guys in a minute. You know, you're an adult when you get excited for like new grocery stores. So we're going to Nob Hill. So basically KB and Carla posted a video of them meal prepping, and they used a special seasoning, and you can only get it from select places. So Nob Hill had it for us. Green onions and stuff. Hi, I'm picking up for Ashley. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Cheers to Starbucks being a real one. They made my drink wrong, so Caleb has his on and I do too for $4. All right, we are at Target now. I'm just browsing, but eventually I'm gonna move over to the Natrium Salicylic Acid Wash because I heard this is like supposed to be really good for your skin and keeping everything tight and right, or even the Glow one. So, and then also the Olays are supposed to be really good too for nourishment and keeping you right and tight. I'm such a child. Boom! Reminds me of the smog. Now, you're probably wondering, how did we come to this point? It's simple. I don't know how to pronounce things. This is the beautiful Smeg knife set I was referring to. A set of 6 going for $499.95 at Williams-Sonoma. Clearly I cannot afford it right now. This is Smog from The Hobbit. Now back to your scheduled vlog. Which makes sense why you can't take them out. Because obviously, danger.
I saw this for you.
You know I love it.
Oh, where's the pineapple?
I know, I want to juice this week, but guys, it's not in my menu for this week, but I cannot wait. I think next week we're going to try the sliced grass-fed beef sirloin. I heard it's heck a bomb. Ooh, big one, small one.
Big one, small one, some as big as your head.
Alright, we just put up to our last store. Safe whistle. Get my coffee. Nobody makes my coffee good anymore. I don't understand it. I want flowers so bad, you guys, for my table. Vases at my house have been so sad. I just don't want us to sneeze a lot. Is she nice or is she mean? Boy, you don't got no kids. Who did you impregnate? Huh? Who did you impregnate?
Shanisha.
Who? Who the heck is Shanisha? Boy, bye. Spell it.
Shanisha.
Spell it.
Shanisha.
Spell it. No, spell it.
Mashley.
Mashley or Mashley?
Mashley Athens.
So you saying my parents had another kid and didn't tell me, Tiffany?
No, I said Athis, not Mathis. That's a completely different person. Probably throw away this one.
Probably, mate.
You did some bad things, but I'm the worst of them. Why you do it that way? A little hole to create a big hole. I don't trust
You get your stuff on your hands.
I didn't. I don't like it. Don't get saved. Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Oh, you're not
Talking about, hey Google.
Hey, Google. Girl, did you know I didn't know your name? Do you know my name?
Guys, look. Got these from Target.
Yeah.
So, cut my finger, just, not gonna say how, just klutz. I cut up the bell peppers like you guys saw, also this green beans, and then Caleb is seasoning our chicken for us. So we're doing chicken, jasmine rice, and then a whole bunch of veggies. Chicken smells really good. I think he's starting to season a whole different bunch of chicken, so let's actually go over there to be nosy. I got bed sheets and they're fresh. We gonna make this bed together. Also, I'm not even gonna hold y'all because I'm fully up to date, like caught up with Love Island now. Team Mom 2 is on in the background, and we're gonna make this bed, y'all.
A lot of it to get the right state of mind. I just didn't want to.
You don't need it, baby.
You know, it was something that had to be.
I didn't have it the whole time.
You're not forcing me, Phil.
Girls can do a girl. Here we go. You are done.
And try to initiate a conversation.
You can see it.
Hello.
So did that.
Now you get to.
How long is my before? Wait, hold this away.
It's all seriousness.
The 10th. We're gonna go see. And the only reason. So there's that. We did like a whole new set. Are you kidding? Home wasn't right.
Can we talk about how it's Sunday and my camera is so jacked? It's like sad, honestly. Can we talk about how it's Sunday? And I felt so good because my new opening for my videos, you guys, if you're an editor, oh, then you understand the struggle of like YouTube and editing and all this stuff. And my new opener is like so fire to me now. Me feel like a real life blogger or YouTuber, and I'm like, girl, you're a YouTuber. And that was always one of my dreams, to be a YouTuber. And so I posted on Sunday with the rest of the big girl dogs out here in the YouTube world. So like Aaliyah post, Cyber post, and my girl Talitha Jane post, and I'm just like, Ashley Mathis posted too. What's up? Okay, for real though, bed is made. It's like the best feeling to get into some clean sheets, hands down. We're about to go in the living room. I have a few things that I want to purchase on Amazon. I'm probably not going to show you guys because I'm just doing an Amazon haul. Other clothing pieces I want to purchase too. You guys, when I tell you August is like fire with different things every weekend, August is fire. And come next week, it's like my brother-in-law's birthday, and we just got stuff going. And I hope you guys are just ready for the vibes and just to continue to grow on YouTube with me. And I'm just excited. Let's go see what the food's looking like. I was about to see how meal prepping was going. On the fridge, yeah.
You think it'd be okay? Damn! Or should I put it in the fridge? What the hell?
I'm in the ghetto.
I saw this earlier.
Oh, it's right.
It's
No.
on the side. No? I'm gonna keep going. Jim?
No.
But it does.
I like, it was literally like a
we turning up. Yeah, we turning it up.